Welcome to the part 2 of the Clip Studio Paint tutorial. In the last video, we created a new animation file. Once you open it, the workspace should look something like this. On the left-hand side, you will see a toolbar similar to Photoshop. But for animation, we mostly just use the pen and eraser tools. You can choose the brush type, adjust the size and opacity from here. Moving to the right, this is your canvas, the area you will draw on. At the bottom, you will find two buttons. Click the left one to open the timeline. If you don't see it, just go to the top menu bar and then Window and go to Timeline. The timeline might look a bit cramped at first, so we can zoom in a little bit. You will see numbers along the top. Those are the frame numbers. Since we've set the animation length to 1 second, there will be 24 frames here, and each box represents 1 frame. If you ever need more frames, just drag the little blue marker at the end to extend the timeline. Let's start with the basic tool on the timeline. New Animation folder. This creates a cell layer that can hold multiple frames. If you have watched video number 1, you will remember what cell layers are. If not, there's a link in the description to check out. For this project, we'll only need one cell layer. So let's go to the layer panel on the right, double-click and name the animation folder as A. After that, remember to pop your selection back to cell 1 so that we can draw on it later. If we ever need more cell layers, they will be named B, C, D, and stacked alphabetically with later letters appearing on top. Next up, New Animation Cell. This simply creates a new cell to draw on. There are actually two types of cells in Clip Studio Paint, single layers and folders. But let's keep it simple and use the basic one for now. Now time to grab your tablet and draw. I've prepared a simple animation for you to follow. It will look like this when finished. We'll start by drawing the keyframes. Let's start with a slightly smiling face. Pick a brush on the left and draw on the canvas. Next, let's draw the ending pose. I want it to end with a big laugh. Since we are working on freeze, the last keyframe will go on frame 22. Click that frame and create a new animation cell. Now, if you draw without taking reference from the previous frames, the size and motion might not match up. To help, turn on onion skin. This allows you to see the previous and next frames, just like a translucent layer stacked together in an onion, hence the name. Now draw a big laughing face for the ending frame. When done, switch off the onion skin. Drag the red marker back and forth to check. If everything looks good, you can add another in-between keyframe. Let's say I want the head to tilt down slightly with a bigger smile, like the character is holding in laughter before it comes to the last keyframe when he bursts out in the laughing face. Go to frame 10. Create a new cell. Turn on the onion skin again and draw. You can check the animation by dragging the red marker across the timeline, using the play button. Loop option is here if you like. Or you can flip frames back and forth manually. To flip frames easy and fast, let's set some shortcut keys. Go to the top menu bar, click File, and then Shortcut Settings. Under the Animation and the Edit Track section, find Select Previous Cell. Double-click and set a shortcut. In here, I will use 1. Do the same for Select Next Cell. I will use 2 here. Since we are here, you can also scroll back and set one more shortcut for New Animation Cell. Then we are done. Try out your keys. You will now be able to flip through the frames easily. Since we are animating on threes, you can pre-create blank cells for every 3 frames. We have created an empty cell. Press the shortcut one more time. It will create a new cell with the same interval as the last one. Now the cell names might look messy, but no need to rename them one by one. Just go to Animation, Edit Track, and then rename in timeline order. And voila, a tidy timeline. I don't want to stuff too much information in one shot, so that's it for this part. In the next video, we will finish the animation and export it as a GIF. If you have any question, just leave me a message below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Flutter Frames for more updates. I am Kay. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.